Welcome to the StatTree Video Help module for data import. To run tests on your data in Julia, your data must first be imported into the Visual Studio Code global environment for Julia. Julia is a terminal-based programming language, like R and Python, but can be run within a specialized IDE program. In this case, in a program called VS Code. Launch VS Code. There are two options for importing data: using the import function in VS Code or running a Julia script. Both options will be demonstrated. VS Code can import data from a variety of formats, including text and CSV files. Since all of the demonstrations in StatTree use an Excel data file, this demonstration will import a CSV file. CSV files are easily exported from Excel using the Save As function. The first option assumes that the data file contains only data with no header row containing variable names. To import using the first option in VS Code, click on the Explorer icon, go to the Explorer pane, browse to the location of the data file, and double-click on the CSV file. The data file will appear in the top right pane. You can see in the data pane that the data file that has been imported contains variable names in the first row of data. This complicates working with this file. To get a clean file for use with Julia, either delete the first row and resave the data, or use the second import option. Otherwise, you will need to create a data frame for your data using Julia code. For the second option, go to the Explorer pane, browse to the location of the Julia script, and double-click on the JL file. The script will appear in the top right pane. Select the lines of code to be run, then press the Run selected icon. Pay attention to the terminal pane. Here will be displayed any output called for in the code. Your data is now in the Julia global environment ready for use. You may wish to copy the code so you can reuse it later.